vlogs. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I last said that. I think it's been a year, but let me quickly check.
Sorry, I'm not organized, but let me just check. When was the last time we posted?
Okay, 11 months. So wow, it's literally been a year and so much has happened, but the most important thing is our biggest blessing in our life has entered. His name is Santiago. We have a baby boy. He is 2 months old, and that's why Juan is just not in this intro at the moment or this whole video, because he's looking after our baby, and we'll definitely introduce him to our YouTube channel really soon. So as you can see by the title, this is a nursery tour and organization video. A while back I posted a poll on my Instagram, and the majority of my followers wanted me to film a nursery tour, so that's what I'm doing today. And also I will be including his bathroom tour, as he has a little personal bathroom, and I just wanted to show how I decorated it cute. So let's just jump right into the video. So I'm just going to show his Moses basket really quickly. This is what he sleeps in most of the time. It's very cute. I love the style of it. I don't think it's that common, so that's why I like that it's very unique. He sleeps in this most of the time, but as I'm demand breastfeeding, it's easier for him to be with me, but I like to put him in this as much as I can and make good use out of it. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now to his nursery. So basically I'll be showing you this section of the house. To the right here is his bathroom, and straight ahead is his nursery. So I'll show the nursery first. It's a quick overview. Now as you walk in the door, you'll see a couple of necklaces on the handle. So we have a rosary and a cross necklace, which is given to us from our very good friend Alejandra, and is straight from El Salvador. So that's so sweet. I love this. And then a rosary here. I love the baby blue colored beads. I think it's very cute. Over to the left here is his changing station. Now I actually put a nappy there on purpose so I can show you guys how to use this bin, because I love it so much. This is his change table. With his changing mat, I put on a cover here, and I've also added this cute blanket that can reverse color. So it's like this, a lighter gray and then a darker gray, just for extra comfort for him. And at the head area, it's folded, so it's a lot more soft for his head. Here are my storage containers. So I have 3 of the same color, just different sizes. So first of all, over to the right here, the big boxes are for nappies. So I store all of his nappies in there that I can fit. I put his baby wipes that he uses on top of here. And to this container here, I have all of his lotions, baby oils, and backup powders. I really love these containers. They can fit a lot, and I love how the lid has a little tray area where you can put extra things, as you can see. On the second shelf, it's really basic. I like to put just some of my traveling supplies on here. So I have some nappy bags to put all his dirty nappies when I'm out and about. Some change table mats that I actually got from the hospital, so I still have 2 spare ones. It's just quick and easy if I need them when I go out. I have a travel Johnson's baby case, and I have his Sudocrem and his baby powder that I use on the daily. Usually I like to use Sudocrem at nighttime just in case his nappy gets full, so I like to put that just to prevent any rashes or anything. And then I have this bin here. So this is a Tommy Tippy Sangenic bin. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. It is super efficient for us. I love this so much. So I use this as an example. So here's his dirty nappy. You open the bin, pop it in, and push it down. This can fit a lot of nappies. It may look small, but it actually fits so many nappies. I love how convenient it is, and it is hygienic as well. So that is amazing. Also, above the change table, I have this frame. So you'll see 4 frames around his nursery. So this is a baby elephant. The frames are from Kmart, and the paintings are from Baby Bunting. Over to the side is my little nursing area. So I have a rocking chair and a side table, and I think it fits perfectly in this room. And here's a light grey throw on top of the chair with a darker grey pillow with some tassels on the edges. Then over on the side table, I have 3 of the Disney movie collection books. So I have Dumbo, I have Coco, and I have 101 Dalmatians. I really want to add more to this collection because I think they're super, super cute. To the right is his crib. Obviously, he doesn't sleep in this yet, but he will eventually transition into this from his Moses basket in probably a few months' time. The only thing that puts me off about this is the mattress. As you can see, it's like a creamy yellow color, and I haven't bought any linen for this yet besides this mattress protector just to cover the top of it. Then I have a bear on top of here, a baby pillow. I haven't used this yet with him, but it is breathable. The substance inside is some leafy thing. It's like, it reminds me of tea leaves, but obviously it's not, but that's how it is. And a matching blanket under there. Then on top of the rail is this beautiful baby blanket. It has the name Santiago embroidered on it. We got this specially made for him, so I thought this is a cute touch onto the crib, just a nice decoration. This crib can also transform into a junior bed, so that's why I really love this, because hopefully we can make the most use out of it. So the rail can adjust down one more level, and the mattress can also go down, so that'll be amazing for him when he's older. So here's a better look of it. Above the crib are the rest of the paintings. There's 3 there. So we have the baby zebra, the baby cub, and the baby giraffe. I think every nursery should have some type of artwork on their walls or something, just to add that little bit extraness. And now over to this side is his set of drawers. So there's 4 drawers here. On the top of it is this baby album. It says Little Prince. I love how detailed it is, and it's even 3D, so that's really cute. The only pictures we have in here are these Polaroids. Oh my gosh, that's actually me behind there, must have fell. But these little cute Polaroids, there's Mama Sandra and Santi, Juan and Santi when he was just a couple hours old. So cute. Then over here is his, I don't know what to call it, a name plug. You would have seen it in his welcoming photo when I first posted him, like announced he was here. So that's his name, the day he was born, how much he weighs, and his length. Then beside it, I just added these cute little sock booties. And then I've also added this. I got this as a gift for Santi. So we got baby's birth certificate and baby's first tooth. So that's that. I didn't want to add anything else on top because then it will be very cluttered. Now let me just tell you how much I love this first drawer. I love how the glass is frosted. It just gives it such a modern look. There's an overview of it. So I've divided it into different compartments, and I would call this drawer a miscellaneous one. So here are his hats and beanies. Then I have all of his socks. I've just rolled them up like so, nothing too special. Then all of his mittens, which he can no longer fit because look how small they are. My baby's growing so much, I can't believe it. And then over here are his bibs. So I coordinated them by smallest to largest, and then by colors, and then group patterns together. Then over this way is a container. So this is the white version of the grey ones on the change table. So on the tray here are his combs. This brush is super soft. I love it. And inside you just find his cotton buds. Some teeth is in there for when he teeths. A nose sucking thing. And some nail supplies and nipple balm for when I did need to use it in the beginning. And then I have a cute ass package that contains some sockies by Seed. And also beside that are some more socks but they're too big for him, so I just left them there and wait for him to grow into them. Now in the second drawer, there are all of his warmer clothes. So here are all of his swaddles and blanket wraps. It's a big stack actually, so I just rolled them up and I didn't put them in any particular order. And then here are all of his long sleeve onesies. So here is my blue pile. Here are my patterns and whites and neutral colors pile. And here are my bonds, wonder suits and cozy suits. And there's some more bonds over there. And then in this small compartment here, I just put some sets. So just a couple of sets that belong together. And now in the third drawer, this is most of his tops. So I have his singlets here in these two piles. And then I have a long sleeve onesie and singlet onesies here. And these two piles are short sleeve onesies. And then I have t-shirts and long sleeves. And lastly, in this one are all of his bottoms. So basically I have all of his shorts here. I put colored ones there and then neutrals in those two. And then in this row here I have all of his like leggings. And then I have sweats in this one. And then in this row are all of his jeans. And I just love baby jeans. Like, look how cute they are. Oh my goodness, so cute. So that's that. Now over here is a fabric storage basket filled with stuffed animals, rattles, and also Juan's baby bear. So he's had this since he was a baby and he's passed it down to Santi. How adorable, huh? And then these balloons, I am so surprised how they're still inflated. We received them all in the week he was born. So this one here, look, it's still got helium in it. It's floating up. And then these other three down here. And I just use them to decorate the room because it reminds me of the day he was born, and we'll just keep them until they eventually deflate. And then now, last but not least, is his closet. And there's me. Hello. So I'll show you this side first. On the top shelf here, I just store all of his books. So I have the Very Hungry Caterpillar book here. Then I have his first Bible, which was also passed down from Juan. How cute. This is in Spanish. Amigos por siempre. Spot plays football. So his first sport book, and I'm so happy I found one that's got to do with football. The Cat in the Hat. These cards that are in alphabetical order. And this cute book that says Welcome Little One. Hanging here are all of his fancy clothes, jackets, and at the very end some costumes. I've coordinated them by color. And then below that is where I store his baby wipes. So just in this box here I have a couple of his baby wipes, but I do really need to stock up on them. But let me tell you, these are my favorite. They're made by 99% of water, so I love how it's so natural. The natural the better, and also it's so easy to clean with. So these are my fave. And then I have these two boxes filled with bigger clothes, so I'll just hang them up and fold them when he gets bigger. And then next to it are his small collection of shoes. I've just ordered some online, so I'm waiting for some more to come through. But there they are. The other side is actually not that interesting. It's not organized in such a good way. Up here are his milestone cards and age blocks, another sentimental book, and a gift bag. And inside contains his welcome cards and a newspaper that was made on his birthday. So when he's older, he can read what happened on the day he was born. And back there is just a box from my breast pump. And then here are spare hangers. But if you haven't noticed, all my hangers here are the same grey one. So I'm not sure if I will make any use out of them. And down here is very messy, but I've just stored some toys that he can't play with yet, just for when he's older. And the bigger seat for him for his pram, so he can't use that just yet. And lastly, his first 2 footballs. This is the entrance to his bathroom. I'll give you a small overview. So I just have a bath mat here. It's grey, but it looks quite purple on camera. And this is the bathtub. This is just a container we use to put water on him in the bath. And these are the main bath supplies I use. So this is the Johnson's baby wash. I have a nice organic one here with a soothing smell to it that will calm him. A baby shampoo. And then his body cloth to wash him with. Here's his baby bath. Over there is his bath seat. Now to the sink area. In this wired cage are my face washing cloths that I just store. I thought that the grey accents really match the vibe of this bathroom, so I just left them there. Gotta have Dettol always. Regular smegular sink. Got his name in blocks. Just his nickname, Santi. And then this cute artwork of zoo animals. And then down here in the cupboard, I just have some spare cotton wool. I have refills for that bin and just some spare toilet paper. And that's all. In the first drawer, I have all of his body cloths, so to wash him with, and all I've done is just roll them up. In this one, I have some cotton wool, and down here, all I have are just my own bath bombs. In this basket is where I put all of his dirty clothes. And under there, in this bucket, I store all of his spare wash and shampoos. Have his towel here. And then the guest toilet. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope I inspired some of you with your nurseries. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And if you like, follow our social media accounts to keep up to date with our daily lives at mine, Juan's, and Santi's.